Hey guys, welcome back. Brady here with RC Playground and me and my dad.
Hey guys, today we're going to reveal what we've done with the Fox Edition custom blue UDR. Now I've got a standard Fox body here and I'm going to turn around. I'm going to show you in just a second what we've got done, and I finally got the stickers in from Traxxas. Those of you who've been paying attention, watching my videos and some of my comments on the forums, I finally got Traxxas to send me a sticker sheet for the UDR, and to my surprise it was a complete sticker sheet for the Fox Edition. So it's got all the stickers as if there was no stickers on the car. I didn't use all of them. I kind of polled it with some of my local groups and everybody kind of thought what we did came out pretty good. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments. If you like it, subscribe, appreciate it, and let's check it out. Standard Edition Fox Body UDR. For those of you keen on your eyes, yes, those are red wheels. That's because this is actually off of the Rigid Edition. That's the other truck I picked up, but I stuck this Fox Body on here because I'd already kind of bashed it around a little bit and I didn't want to tear the Rigid Body up. So I'm purposefully not showing you the other car. Oops, you just got a peek of it. But this is what the standard Fox Edition looks like. Oh, you're getting sneak peeks. That's not working. So other than the wheels, obviously you would have orange rimmed wheels, but that's the body. Now here we go. So the car I've been working on, the blue one, for a while. Here we go. You guys, what do you think about that? I'm going to kind of slowly go around it. I apologize for any wind noise. That blue is just absolutely beautiful, and I know you can't really tell on the video here, but my gosh, that stuff pops. Check out my chrome fans, if you can see it in there. Now, I polled a couple of my local groups around here, and everybody kind of really leaned towards just using the orange stickers. I didn't see a whole lot of purpose for putting the black. As you see, I put a white Traxxas over the fender instead of the black Traxxas on this side. I did use the it would be the hood tie downs, the simulated hood tie downs. Other than that, I pretty much just used the orange stickers. Now notice something I noticed here. Look at the stock taillight. Now you see it's got some scuff on it, but it's got kind of a kind of a triangular shape. And look at the one they sent me in the kit. It's squared and blocked off. But all the other stickers seem to be exactly the same. Now this is not a sticker. This is painted onto the original body. I was kind of hoping that was going to be part of a sticker, but it's actually in the body. And something else, guys. Notice if you've looked at these Fox Editions in person, notice how that Fox is off center. Now I almost put those on straight, but I thought, you know what? Everyone I've seen have been off sides like that, so I measured, and those are just about as close to being exact as I could get it as far as the angle. I'm going to swoop around the back here. It kind of gets you a shot of both of them. This blue car doesn't even look real. It looks like a cartoon. It's so awesome. But the multicam, same with the angle on the Fox on this side. I did put the Justin Lofton sticker on there because it's got the American flag, and this is America, and I'm proud of America. But all in all, guys, I think it came out good. You guys let me know what you think. Again, if you like it, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Thanks, and have a great day.